Introducing the stunning 2022 Kia Ev6 GT Line, 5-door auto in vibrant red. This sleek MPV is powered by electric, with automatic transmission for a smooth ride, packed with luxurious comfort and accessories features like ambient lighting, cruise control, and satellite navigation. This vehicle ensures a top-notch driving experience. Safety is key, with features like 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. Plus, stylish details like Chrome Package and Sunroof add a touch of elegance. With a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and expert servicing, this Kia Ev6 is ready for you to drive off into the sunset. Contact Dooley Motors Carlow today.